Imagine a world where the steady decline of your memory and brain function is not just accepted as an inevitable part of aging. What if I told you that the key to preventing cognitive decline and even dementia has been right under our noses all along, yet most of us ignore it? This forgotten mineral, vital for brain health, holds the power to protect your mind, improve memory, and give you a sharper focus at any age. Stay with us to discover the secret and how to use it. Welcome to Levitas. Did you know that your brain is under constant attack as you age? Stress, toxins, and poor lifestyle habits wreak havoc on your neurons, gradually leading to cognitive decline. But here's the twist. Your body has a natural defender that fights this battle for you. This mineral acts like a bodyguard for your brain, reducing inflammation, neutralizing harmful toxins, and even strengthening the connections between neurons. How does it work? It regulates critical chemical messengers in the brain, ensuring they function optimally. These messengers, known as neurotransmitters, control memory, learning, and mood. Without enough of this mineral, your brain struggles to communicate within itself, leading to the very symptoms that define dementia. What's more, this mineral helps to protect the brain's structure. It prevents the buildup of amyloid plaques, those sticky proteins associated with Alzheimer's, and promotes the repair of damaged neurons. Studies have even shown that people with higher levels of this mineral have a significantly lower risk of developing dementia. Ever walk into a room and forget why you're there? Or struggle to recall important details? It's not just aging, it's your brain crying out for this essential mineral. Here's how it improves memory. This mineral plays a direct role in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, form new connections, and strengthen old ones. Think of neuroplasticity as your brain's memory gym. Without enough of this mineral, your brain's workout routine slows down, making it harder to retain new information or recall old memories. In addition, it regulates the part of the brain responsible for learning and memory, the hippocampus. By optimizing its function, this mineral sharpens your ability to process and store information. And the benefits don't stop there. It enhances long-term memory by protecting neurons from oxidative stress, a type of damage caused by free radicals that accelerates brain aging. Clinical trials have shown that individuals taking this mineral experience improved short-term memory, better focus, and even faster cognitive recovery after stress. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply want to age gracefully, optimizing your levels of this mineral could unlock your brain's full potential. Are there side effects to taking this mineral? Like any supplement, taking this mineral requires some precautions. While it's generally safe, overdoing it can lead to side effects. The most common issues are gastrointestinal discomfort, such as diarrhea, nausea, or cramping. But here's the good news. These side effects are usually tied to the type of supplement you choose or taking too much at once. Low-quality forms of this mineral often have poor absorption rates, meaning they stay in your digestive tract longer, causing irritation. To avoid these pitfalls, always opt for a high-quality, bioavailable form and stick to the recommended dosage. Spread your intake throughout the day to minimize the risk of stomach upset. Additionally, individuals with kidney issues should consult a healthcare professional before taking this mineral, as it is primarily excreted through the kidneys. Remember, moderation is key. Taking the right form and amount ensures you reap the cognitive benefits without the unwanted side effects, making this mineral a safe and effective addition to your health routine. What is the #1 forgotten mineral? It's time for the big reveal. The forgotten mineral that can transform your brain health is magnesium. Despite its critical role in over 300 biochemical processes in your body, magnesium often goes overlooked. Magnesium isn't just any mineral. It's the master regulator of brain function, memory, and mood. Yet, studies show that nearly 50% of people don't get enough of it from their diets. It's no wonder cognitive issues are on the rise. Now that you know what this game-changing mineral is, let's explore how to use it for maximum brain power. What type of magnesium is best for the brain? Not all magnesium is created equal, and when it comes to brain health, choosing the right type is critical. Enter magnesium L-threonate, a specialized form designed to cross the blood-brain barrier effectively. Why does this matter? Most types of magnesium, while excellent for general health, struggle to reach your brain in significant amounts. Magnesium threonate, however, is developed specifically to boost magnesium levels in the brain, where it works its magic on memory and cognitive function. This form of magnesium enhances synaptic density, the number of connections between neurons, improving how your brain processes and stores information. Clinical studies have shown that magnesium L-threonate improves both short-term and long-term memory, slows brain aging, and even reduces anxiety. Other forms, such as magnesium citrate or glycinate, are fantastic for muscle relaxation and sleep, but don't offer the same neurological benefits. If your goal is to supercharge your brain, magnesium L-threonate is your best ally. What's the best way to take magnesium? Taking magnesium doesn't have to be complicated. For cognitive benefits, the optimal dose of magnesium L-threonate starts from at least 400 milligrams, divided into 1 to 3 doses. Taking it with food can improve absorption and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort. Consistency is key. Incorporate it into your routine and pair it with a balanced diet for maximum effectiveness. Remember to drink plenty of water and consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Can magnesium-rich foods replace supplements? While supplements are a convenient way to boost magnesium levels, a magnesium-rich diet can be equally effective and delicious. Foods naturally high in magnesium not only provide this essential mineral, but also come packed with other nutrients that support brain health. So what should you eat? Leafy greens like kale and Swiss chard are excellent sources. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts, are magnesium powerhouses. Legumes like black beans and lentils, whole grains like quinoa, and even dark chocolate, yes, chocolate, can help you meet your daily requirements. How much should you aim for? The recommended dietary allowance for magnesium is 310 to 420 milligrams daily, depending on age and gender. A single cup of cooked kale provides about 40% of your daily needs, while a handful of almonds adds another 20%. By combining a variety of these foods into your meals, you can maintain healthy magnesium levels naturally. For those with higher needs or absorption issues, supplements can be a valuable addition, but don't underestimate the power of whole, nutrient-dense foods. Your brain and body will thank you. In conclusion, magnesium, often overlooked yet incredibly vital, emerges as a cornerstone of brain health and cognitive resilience. Its protective powers against dementia stem from its ability to regulate neurotransmitters, prevent amyloid plaque buildup, and repair neurons, acting as a guardian for the aging brain. Beyond defense, magnesium actively enhances memory by supporting neuroplasticity and hippocampal function, ensuring sharper recall and learning capabilities. However, to harness these benefits safely, choosing high-quality bioavailable forms like magnesium L-threonate is crucial while adhering to recommended dosages to avoid side effects. Whether through supplements or magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and legumes, achieving optimal magnesium levels unlocks profound cognitive potential. As science continues to uncover its extraordinary effects, this once-forgotten mineral deserves a prominent place in your health strategy, offering a natural pathway to sharper thinking and a healthier brain. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.